Hello everyone, you are welcome in this new video, and this is the last video before the periodic first, because it is going to start from 7th of July in this month. Virtually online periodic test will organize. Okay, we were studying the simple permanent tissue. So first of all, name of the chapter is tissues, and it belongs to, and the date is 2nd of July 2020, biology class. Okay, we were studying about the simple permanent tissues. Okay, and in simple permanent tissue we studied the parenchyma. Today we will study about the rest of the part of simple permanent tissue, and they are collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Okay, so let's begin it. Dear students, collenchyma are also living primary tissue, like the parenchyma. They possess thickening of glucose or pectin substances at the corners. Okay, let's together draw the diagram also. They can be of different shape and size. They can be of different shape and size in this way. Okay, and they will have the thickening of pectin substances at the corners. They do not have the thickening, they do not have the intercellular space. They will have the thickening of pectin substances at the corners. Wherever the corner is there is the thickening. Okay, and they do not have the intercellular space because the space is covered in thickening. Okay, these tissues are widely distributed in below epidermis, at the base of stalk of the leaves. Okay, and they provide the capability to the plant part bending without breaking. Okay, so characters are similar to the parenchyma. Some additional characters are these tissue have the thickening of cellulose or pectin substance at the corner. They do not have the intercellular space. Okay, if we talk about the distribution, where they distributed in the body. Okay, so we can write here below epidermis, at the base of leaves. Okay, mid-rib, young dicot plants, means in stem of young dicot plants etc. These are the young dicot plant stem. Okay, so these are the regions where they are found. Okay, and what their function is? Their function, they are the chief supporting tissue of the plant. Okay, and they provide capability of bending without break. Okay, you can take the example like the fruits, leaves. Okay, fruit is hanging from the tree, but it do not break down easily. Okay, so that flexibility of hanging is provided by this collenchyma tissue in the plant. Collenchyma tissue are also found at the edge of certain leaves and produce and they provide the capability, means eradicate the wearing and tearing effect of wind. Wind often, like you can take the example of the leaves of banana. Okay, they often wear and tear from the edge. Okay, but there are many leaves who have the collenchyma at the edge and they do not wear and tear because of wind. So this capability to the plant is provided by the collenchyma tissue. Some of the collenchyma cells often have the chlorophyll and work as the storage of the starch, carbohydrate. Okay, so these are the functions, and these are, as you are seeing the function, they are the chief supporting tissue of the plant. Okay, now another in this simple permanent tissue is the sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma are the tissue. What are characteristics? If we talk about the characteristics, sclerenchyma are the dead tissues, made up of dead tissues, and they have the uniform deposition of lignin all around the cell. Okay, and because of deposition of lignin, the cell become impermeable and it become dead. So when they become dead, they do not have any metabolic function in the plant, but they become too hard and they provide the capability to plant to stand straight. Okay, they are found in the region of hypodermis. And they have the small pits between them, and these pits are oblique, थोड़े उभरे हुए होते हैं. These are of two types. Okay, and these two types are sclerites and fibers. Fibers and sclerites. Fibers are long, of different length. Dead cells of different length, and they are, as they are fibers, so they are long, while the sclerites are short. Okay, and they are found in the hypodermis of the tissue, pericycle of the tissue, cortex of the plant. Okay, so in different regions they are found, and they provide the hardness to the plant, like you see in the husk of coconut fruit, grit of apples, hard coat of seeds. Okay, these all are means harder part in the plant is made by the sclerenchyma tissue. Okay, and their main function is to protection to the plant, as well as they are often also found in secondary phloem and secondary xylem, where they support. Okay, as well as these pits are help in conduction of water. Okay, in this way they are compactly packed, having no intercellular space, and this lumen also become narrow, and the cytoplasm used up, there is no nucleus because dead cells. Okay, so then we can say, if we talk about the characteristics, okay, so they are dead cells, made up of dead cells. Okay, uniform deposition of lignin. Lignin is a hard substance that make the cell impermeable. Okay, impermeable. They are impermeable. Narrow become lumen. Lumen means space, cavity you can say. Lumen become narrow. If we talk about the distribution, okay, so distributed, they are distributed in hypodermis, endocarp of the seed, endocarp, the harder part in coconut. Okay, grit of apple. Grit is what the seed case in the apple. All of you had eaten the apple. If you cut it from the middle, the seeds are in the middle, and seeds are covered by a chamber-like structure that is called the grit. Okay, so grit of apples, husk of coconut, okay, their structure is like this, and they provide the strength to the plant because they are harder. Okay, so these are the parenchyma and sclerenchyma. If you see an coconut, let us assume that this is the structure of coconut. So this thickening, outside thickening is the husk, and this is the sclerenchyma. As I said, they are of sclerenchyma is made up of two types of the cell. Okay, and these made of two types of the cell of the cell, and they are fibers and sclerites. Okay, fibers are long and sclerites are short. Okay, and they often help in conduction of water in the plants. Okay, so these are the two types of remaining simple permanent tissues. And dear students, according to the syllabus of periodic, first you have to prepare the lessons. Okay, because the periodic test is going to conduct from 7th of July. Okay, so see the previous video again and again and memorize the topics, try to build the concept. Okay, till then stay home, remain safe. This is all about for today. Thank you very much.